How to reset Roborock's reset or that is not connecting to your network or the internet step-by-step guide in this video. Open the top cover of Roborock X8 Pro. Gently lift up the top cover of your Roborock vacuum to access the internet control. Locate the Wi-Fi indicator light. Inside you will find a small light indicating the Wi-Fi status. Press and hold button simultaneously. Press and hold the reset button and power clean button. Listen for voice prompt, continue holding your until you hear the voice alert resetting Wi-Fi. Observe the Wi-Fi indicator light. The Wi-Fi indicator light will begin to flash slowly, indicating the reset was successful and robot is ready to connect to a new Wi-Fi network. Now, reconnecting to Wi-Fi. After resetting, you will need to reconnect your Roborock to your Wi-Fi network. For this, download the app. Ensure you have the Roborock or MI Home app installed on your smartphone. Now add a new device. Open the app, tap on the plus icon to add a new device to it. Now follow the on-screen instructions to simply do it. This is the video. Thank you so much for watching it.